We're going to do it in phase. You see the little here, and there's a guy there with his backbox. His name was Roger Casey. He was born here years ago. He used to work for the British Foreign Office. So prior to the 1960 rising in Ireland, seeking independence, the British Empire, he was over to Germany to seek the release of 2,000 Irish prisoners. It's a little bit warmer than here. There's no birds, it's dangerous. But if you're thinking of buying the house for 18 million, you're not sure it's dangerous. You can rent the house. So that will cost 30 to 40,000 a month. Reportedly Brad Pitt is in it. Courtney Cox is somewhere up in the time as well. They're working on a movie at the moment. And then if you look up above all the houses, between the central trees there, you can see the metal man, the green jumper and white trousers at 3 o'clock. Just reverse it up.
Ja, maar dat doet misschien heel plezier. Ah, ja. Zie dat dan van voor, dat was van ons favorite huis. En dat was dat ander klein, dat is hier, daar zijn we binnen geweest.
Dat, ja. Prima, hè?
We dachten dat het andere huis was.
The reason there's loads of people fishing along here is because the tide's coming in and out and funnels the fish in and out.
Ja. Remy, this is way back. When people wave. Hi, Waker. Hey, you wave.
For 7 an hour, there's over 80 of these signs on the island, 6 and 7 on Rayhead, which is to the left of us. So during the world, especially during World War II, they would have played a significant role with the Allies, the Americans flying over the Atlantic, by the Germans, they overshot England, Scotland and Wales, not to drop bombs. It didn't always work out, there were a few mistakes. We're all friends now. The bathing area here is officially, well, its official name is Hawk Lynn. They stick their noses straight out of the water. That's called bottling. So they sleep vertically or doze vertically and they hold on to the seaweed with the flippers. That seal is just happy out and belly full of fish. Found on the island that predate the pyramids, so they're 4,000 years old. So skull, packed with pyramid shells, arrow tips.